Scotland's coastline, with all its islands, is over 18,000 kilometres long. If you stretched it out and ironed out all the kinks, it would reach from Scotland all the way to Australia. Coasts are ingrained in Scottish culture, history and identity. Everyone remembers the salty smell of the sea spray and the sound of the waves crashing onto the beach or cliffs when they first visit. Up to 16 million visitors arrive at the coast in Scotland every year. This is where we want to spend our leisure time, eating fresh seafood, cycling or walking along the coastal paths, swimming or paddleboarding in the water, or even just lazing amongst the dunes. The coast provides an important transition between the land and the sea. It supports a wide range of habitats that are able to survive between fresh and saltwater environments. These habitats support nationally and internationally important species, such as the enigmatic migrating birds that travel thousands of miles to arrive back at the same spot on a Scottish island every single year. Coastal habitats are varied. We have sand dunes and salt marshes, marine cliffs, saline lagoons and estuaries, all connected like a complex jigsaw puzzle. Rich mosaics of these habitats exist in special places, such as on the northwestern Isles, which is also home to a unique grassland habitat called maca, found only within Scotland and Ireland. Healthy coastal habitats are essential to help species thrive, reduce carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and help us cope with rising sea levels. Salt marshes and sand dunes, for instance, can reduce risks from flooding from sea surges by absorbing wave energy and providing a buffer for sensitive inland habitats. Estuaries are vital habitats for providing safe havens for birds to feed and roost over winter. However, the coast is under increasing pressure from both the land and the sea. Pollution running off the land and overgrazing by farm animals degrade salt marsh plants and soils. Increasing numbers of storms and rising sea levels due to climate change threaten to drown salt marsh and erode cliffs and sand dunes. We are in a twin biodiversity and climate crisis. A decline in biodiversity will make the climate crisis worse, and a changing climate will increase the rate of biodiversity loss. The Scottish Biodiversity Strategy will be an ambitious plan that will transform the way we use and manage our natural resources. Actions will be set that remove the pressures that are causing a decline in our biodiversity. By 2030, coastal ecosystems will be managed for biodiversity recovery and the natural dynamic processes that allow coasts to respond positively to climate change impacts, such as sea level rise and coastal erosion. By 2045, biodiversity will be richer, stronger, and our coasts will be resilient to a changing climate, benefiting nature and us, allowing us to continue to enjoy our coasts for generations to come.